Good day, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to reset the oil life on the 2002 to 2025 Chevy Trailblazer. I will demonstrate the steps so that you may do the task on your own. It should not take long and should be rather simple. So be sure to stay tuned. On the old Chevy Trailblazer, you can reset the oil life using the gas pedal. It's pretty easy to do. Basically, all you're going to do is: Step 1. Turn on your car without starting it up. Step 2. Step on the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds, and that will reset the oil light to 100%. To make sure the indication has been reset, switch off the ignition and start the engine. You may try again if it doesn't reset. If you want to know how to reset the oil life on your new Chevy Trailblazer, just going to use the steering wheel buttons. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Get in your car and turn it on. Step 2. Use the left or right button and go over to the Vehicle tab menu. Step 3. Scroll down by rotating the thumb wheel until you see the oil life screen. Step 4. Press and hold down the thumb wheel to get the reset option. Step 5. Move over to Yes and press the wheel again, then it will reset to 100% and you're done. On the latest generation Chevy Trailblazer, you can reset the oil life using the center touchscreen. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Start up the car. Step 2. Find and tap the vehicle status menu. Step 3. Tap on maintenance. Step 4. Select oil life. Step 5. Select reset. Step 6. Tap on reset again to confirm and the percentage will change to 100%. So that's how easy it is to reset the light. If you have a Chevy car and that oil light was on is annoying you, you can utilize these easy steps to reset it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.